everyone, I'm Jasmine from Modern Spare. Today I'm going to show you how to install a spare tire kit on the Volvo XC60. Before we get into it, please remember that your safety is the #1 priority throughout this entire process. Now we're going to go over the optional safety kit. One optional accessory we have are these collapsible wheel chocks. You're going to open them up, slide them under, and these can go under either unaffected tire. Another optional accessory kit we have is the safety kit, which includes this high visibility vest, safety triangles, and a pair of gloves. Hold up, I'm going to introduce Matt to talk about something super important that may pertain to your vehicle before we proceed.
Hi, I'm Matt from Modern Spare. Some vehicles will have what they call decorative lug covers, and they can cause a headache if you're not familiar with them. So take a moment and see if your car has decorative lug covers over the lug nuts or lug bolts. Also, be sure to check to see if your car has locking lugs. Those are basically just devices that keep your wheels from being stolen. If you do have those, the key that is used to remove those lugs is found in the glove box, and it is compatible with one of our sockets.
Before we raise the car with the jack, we want to make sure that we loosen the lugs without fully removing them. Before lifting the vehicle, it is very important to locate the proper lifting point of the vehicle. For this vehicle specifically, we'll be using this attachment. When placing on top of the jack, make sure it has a snug fit. A really cool thing about our kit is the case can be used as a knee pad when lifting the car. The ratchet has a switch on the side of it that changes the direction of the jack for either raising or lowering your vehicle. Now that the jack has pressure, you want to check for proper placement on the vehicle before proceeding. Once confirmed, you can go ahead and continue lifting until the failed tire is completely off the ground, after which you can take the lugs fully off. When taking off the failed tire, make sure to lift with proper form so you don't hurt or damage your body in the process. Then, you will place the failed tire in the plastic bag for a clean storage. Since this specific vehicle doesn't have studs, we have these guide pins that are available for purchase, although not included in your kit. Once you have a few of the factory lugs on, you can go ahead and replace the pins with the remaining few. Once you have the guide pins off, you can go ahead and set them to the side. You're going to use the socket by hand to tightly snug all the lugs on the wheel. After the wheel is seated properly, look around the wheel for any clearance issues. Now we're going to flip the switch on the ratchet handle, then lower the jack. When the tire makes contact with the ground, you can go ahead and tighten the lugs. Now we're going to tighten the lugs to spec in a star pattern. Lastly, we're going to lower the jack down to the ground, pick up our accessories, and load our failed tire into our trunk. With all that said and done, that's how you install a spare tire on the Volvo XC60. We want to give a big shout out to Autolocity in Ogden, Utah for letting us use their Volvo. And lastly, please like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow along for any future updates and education. Thanks.